Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure webmail on Gmail. It will be really simple and easy. So first of all, open your Gmail and click on this gear icon in the top right and then click on this see all settings. Select this accounts and import and click on this add another email address. Now enter here your name and enter your webmail email address. Then click on this next step. Now give here your webmail SMTP server and enter here your webmail username and password. You will get these credentials on your cPanel. Now click on add account. In this field, you have to verify your webmail and email with a confirmation code was sent to the webmail. All you have to do is just collect that code from your cPanel webmail and enter the code here and simply click on verify and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to configure webmail on Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.